Hi, so I wanted to share with you this smart digital door lock that I received. So when we open the box, the very first thing you'll see is there's an operation manual to tell you how to set up the locking mechanism. There is also an installation guide that shows you how to install it. And then on the back, there's a template if that's needed. Then if we look inside the box, it looks like we have the door handles, which come in these nice protective dust covers to keep them from getting scratched. So we have both of those. There is also the striker plate that goes on the door frame. There's some installation hardware. There is the actual locking mechanism and face plate that goes inside the lock. There are 2 physical keys, and it looks like there are 5 RFID cards that can also be used to access the lock. So let's take a look at the lock itself. So this is the side that would go inside your house. And there's a compartment in here that requires batteries. And when you install this lock, this cable here will plug into this side, and that's what powers the batteries, and this cable is what powers the external part of the lock with the fingerprint, keypad, and whatnot on it. So since I do not have this installed or let me plug it in. This is also an emergency. If the batteries run dead, you have the option to plug in a battery pack here, and it provides power to the door lock, so you're not completely locked out. So when you plug this in, you walk up to your door. You'll see there's a fingerprint option here. So if I touch that, it wakes up the lock. You can also enter a code. There's a keypad that goes from 1 to 0, and then there's a pound sign down at the bottom for entry. You can see that. At the end here is where the physical key would go to unlock it. And then there's also an app you can download so if you want to share your code with a friend or whomever that might be coming over, you can share that code securely with a friend or family member. And then there's also the RFID cards that you just swipe over this area, and you can see that it will unlock the door. I do not have any code set up, so it's telling me there needs to be an administrator code. So this is the digital security door lock. I think this is a great option for added security, and I would definitely recommend it.